you're never gonna see it how I see. Your sister Grace hurt me, but you were never gonna see it how I see. These are the memories you pick apart, pick apart. They're never gonna mend a broken heart. Every conversation that you think about, bottle it up and then you drink it down, yeah. Always 16, though I know that you're never gonna believe it. Take your time and write it all down, because you're never gonna see it how you saw it. These are the memories you pick apart, they're never gonna mend a broken heart. Every conversation that you think about, bottle it up and then you drink it down. All the memories you pick apart, they're never gonna mend a broken heart. Every conversation that you think about, haven't we got a lot to think about? Just wait and you will see that you're never gonna see it how I see. You're not always 19, I guess you're never gonna see it how I see.
Behind the scenes of Santiago zapata.
Pretty old and it's pretty stinky. Like really stinky. Oh my god, I hold a dog. A dog. And he was really cute. Okay. Bye guys. I really need to go right now. Bye.